What's up, everybody? Today I will be opening the Collector Corps Deadpool box. As you can see, still not open, has tape. Oh, and here he comes. We open. Okay, so first thing, when we open the box, we get little collector's pin. Very nice, very cool. Little pushback. It's good, yes? Whoa, we get nice patch too. Look at that patch. It's sexy, I like. Now we open the box. Whoa. Oh, sweet. I get a Funko Pop Deadpool t-shirt, gray variant. I like. They come in different colors, you might get different, but I got gray. X-Force for the win. Ooh, look at this. And they packed it better too. Now it has cardboard backing, which is awesome. Last chance for the comic book to get ruined. Nice variant Deadpool, Collector's Corps. Very good job, guys. Uh-oh, I see something I like. It's Mopiz! Weapon X style, baby! Got to love this, it's so cute. He's going to sit on my shelf later, I promise that. Oh, exclusive Marvel Collector Corps Deadpool Dorbs! Look, and he comes with little pony? You would think it'd be unicorn, right? He likes unicorns, no? Yes, I know. But is still really cool. Oh, and last but not least, the cream of the crop, the tip of the top, the Marvel Collector Corps exclusive Deadpool. Yay!